If you want to remove all contacts from your X account, I'll show you the fastest way to do it. This is useful if you've synced your phone contacts before and now you want to clear them out and stop X from suggesting people based on your address book. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com or the X app and go to the left navigation bar. Click on More to open the full menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the Settings menu, click Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps the options related to discoverability, contact syncing, and account privacy. Next, click on Discoverability and Contacts. Inside this section, you'll see the options related to people finding your account and any contacts you may have uploaded. Now click on Manage Contacts. This will take you to the page where your synced contacts are stored. Here, you should see the option to remove all contacts. Click that option to clear every contact that has been added to your account. X will ask you to confirm this action, so go ahead and click Remove to finish the process. Once you confirm, all contacts will be removed from your X account. And that's it. You've successfully removed all contacts from X, also known as Twitter. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides.